Home Chef has so graciously offered all of my followers $30 off of their first order. So check out the links below to get your first order of Home Chef. Good morning, you guys. Today we're going to be filming a day in the life that doesn't involve homeschooling. All of the videos that I usually put up on my channel for day in the lifestyle videos involve homeschooling the kids, but we are currently on our fall break. It's actually one of my most favorite breaks that we take throughout the homeschool year. We started school back in June, and so we have just wrapped up week 14 when I am filming this. So we are almost halfway done through our school year already, so we were due for a break. So we are actually taking 2 weeks off this week where I'm currently filming this, and then next week where we will be on vacation. We are taking a very long road trip up to Steamboat, Colorado from where we live. That's about 11 hours. So that is the longest drive that we've ever done with the kids, like in a straight like without stopping and going more and, you know, breaking it up. So we're going to be doing some preparing for that trip today, but right now it's about 8 o'clock, and I have actually already taught an indoor cycling class, which is why I have like this curly hair and the sweaty face. I taught a 6 a.m. indoor cycling class, and I usually don't work out twice in a day, but I'm currently doing a fitness challenge, leading a fitness challenge, and I don't want to miss any of those workouts. And with us traveling at the end of the week, I needed to double up today. So we are going to the gym as a family. The kids are going to go in childcare. Hubs is going to do his workout, and then from there we have a full day of preparation for vacation, cleaning, packing, all those things. So that's what this video is going to be. It is sponsored by Home Chef, and you guys will see why later. It's so convenient to have those meals delivered when you're going out of town, but there'll be more on that later. Crumbs on the floor because, like I said, we are going on a road trip, so I'm not going to go ahead and clean that because that's about to get a whole lot worse. So, but I just wanted to show you guys, if you ever travel with your kids, I always put a trash bag back here, and then we'll just loop it over the top of the seat like that. So that way the trash at least will hopefully end up in the bags and not on the ground. So I don't know, maybe that's old news, but I thought it was a really good idea for them to each have their own trash bag. 9:45 now, and we just got home from the gym, and I'm gonna go ahead and have my protein shake. I will show you guys what I am currently drinking. So I'm drinking the Beachbody Recovery in chocolate, and then I also have in there the Gym and Tonic, the collagen peptides, 2 scoops of that. For a grand total of around 40 grams of protein in the shake. So really, really super good to refuel post-workout. So I'm gonna drink this, then I'm gonna hop in the shower. We're gonna go to the library to stock up on reads for the road trip, and then I have a hair appointment at noon, so I'm gonna get a little me time. So we just finished up at the library. It's about 11:20 now, and per the usual, they are all locked in on what books they got, except for I did say this time that they could only read one before the road trip, so that way it holds their interest. But here's our library receipt. It is gigantic. We always check out a ton of books, and I know I'm going to get a lot of questions on like the books that we chose at the library. When I come to the library with my kids, unless we're coming for like a specific purpose, I always just let them choose out things that are interesting to them, and they always end up choosing some really cool stuff. And sometimes they read about things that we have to talk about and say, like, we know that this is just make-believe or it's a myth, things like Bigfoot and stuff like that. But I do let them read it because they're interested and they want to know what people think and why they think it that way. So yeah, they checked out a bunch of books that I think should help us on our road trip to Colorado. So now I'm going to run home really quick, grab some lunch, and then I get to go and get my hair done. I had this appointment scheduled weeks ago, but it just worked out really well that we are on fall break from homeschool. Some lunch now, and you guys always love to see what my kids are eating. And surprise, surprise, they are having pizza because last night we had a date night, and so we got pizza for them for when they were being babysat. And so they're finishing up their pizza for lunch, and I am going to have my chili lime turkey burger from Trader Joe's, and then cauliflower rice underneath it. So that's what I'm having. And then what are you guys gonna do after you have lunch?
Read.
More reading. So it is about 2:30 now, and I just got out of getting my hair done. And is there anything else that makes a woman feel better than when you get a fresh cut and color? I just love it so much. And even though I have no makeup on my face, my hair feels so good. And my other favorite part about getting my hair done is having somebody else wash my hair. It just feels so relaxing and awesome. So my hair is all clean and pretty. And I am really hoping that my home chef came for delivery while I was out getting my hair done, because as I said, we are getting ready to go on a family vacation. We're going to be gone about 8 days. So prior to going on a long trip, I take it as almost a personal challenge to eat everything remaining in my house. And I will show you guys how empty my fridge and freezer is, and I don't want food to spoil or go bad, so I wanted this to happen. So that's why Home Chef is going to be perfect for dinner tonight, because I have no groceries. So while I was gone, my husband so wonderfully cleaned our bathroom. He cleaned so good. I love going on vacation and then coming home to a clean house. And the bathrooms are probably my least favorite thing to clean. So I'm super appreciative. For our road trip, I have packed up some like food that we're gonna be bringing, because the place we're staying is a villa and it has a kitchen, so want to do some cooking there. So I got some snacks, and then I also grabbed this from Trader Joe's, the haunted house cookie kit. I just thought it would be a fun activity to do at night while we're in our room, and just a good way to spend time together as a family. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was my kids' backpacks are packed up. Like I said, this road trip is going to be pretty long. So I let them choose snacks like these that I ordinarily would not allow. So that was also really exciting. But we will not do electronics the entire time that we're in the car, maybe an hour or so. So she has like a little jewelry box to decorate, a nature journal, a surprise pack that we got at Target, some other coloring things. That's what these Magic Wonder colors are for. That is my youngest ones. And then my son, let's see, I can't remember exactly what he got, but promised, I told you guys I would show you just how cleaned out my refrigerator is before a trip. It's pretty empty on purpose. Let me know in the comments down below if any of you guys do the same thing. So like we are running really, really low on groceries on purpose. And then even down here in my freezer, we're pretty bare. One completely empty. Up here, just a few things remaining. So I really try to do that before we go on a long vacation, and then of course we have to come home and immediately restock, but I like doing that. So that is why we got Home Chef set for tonight's dinner, and I can't wait to show you guys what we're gonna make. So my Home Chef box did arrive while I was out getting my hair done, and I was so excited to see this delicious meal for dinner. I actually got two, so one I was going to be preparing for lunch for the next day. But tonight we are going to have the broccoli with artichoke chicken, spinach and artichoke chicken that is. So you can see me here just cooking the spinach. It's super easy to follow these recipes, and they are so good and perfect for when you're going out of town. Here is the finished product. So we are gonna sit down and enjoy dinner tonight. Thank you, Home Chef, for this dinner. And then we are gonna head out on our road trip tomorrow to Colorado and enjoy some fall family fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this day in the life, and I will see you guys really soon.